PUMA VTS 1620 series, a pioneer of high precision and heavy cutting lathe for machining large diameter workpiece. Doosan's Ram-type vertical turning lathe. PUMA VTS 1620 VTS 1620M. Ram-type vertical lathe provides higher performance machining compared to the turret-type vertical lathe. PUMA VTS 1620 is suitable for heavy cutting where it can machine wide range of large diameter workpiece, from general flange type to long shaft type parts used in aerospace, construction, wind power generation, and oil and gas industry. Highly reliable PUMA VTS 1620 provides exceptional quality machining. The PUMA VTS 1620 uses a highly rigid, tapered cross roller bearing design of high classification than other machines in its class. The large diameter bearing design allows for heavy machining, and the simple construction simplifies maintenance and increases reliability. The VTS 1620 applies a patented twin helical gear design to eliminate positioning errors from backlash when engaging C-axis control. This design greatly improves machining accuracy and quality when 3-axis machining is required. The PUMA VTS 1620 adopts a larger ram cross-section guide for heavier machining capability regardless of ram extension. The tools are firmly clamped in the ram using a 5-collet hydraulic cylinder design. The stiffness of the Z-axis ram and powerful tool clamping make the machine ideal for heavy cutting. On the PUMA VTS 1620, the W-axis traveling cross rail is a standard feature. The cross rail can automatically be positioned at 4 points, each 200 millimeters apart. With the total stroke of the W-axis at 800 millimeters, the VTS 1620 is ideal for machining a variety of workpieces regardless of height. The PUMA VTS 1620 is equipped with an 18-tool station magazine as standard and a 24-station magazine as an option. The magazine is provided with a work lamp and is accessible during machine operation to manage tooling. A variety of tool holders are available according to the customer's needs to increase productivity. An air gap sensor for the arm is standard to notify the operator if the tools are not firmly clamped. This greatly increases safety. PUMA VTS 1620 series uses oil cooling system and supply cooling oil and table, gearbox, and milling spindle for minimize the thermal displacement. And the oil cooling system check the temperature profile of machine in real time and control the cooling oil temperature. So PUMA VTS 1620 series minimizes the heat influence. The design team of the VTS 1620 considered the operator's work convenience and safety as the first priority. The design concept of the exterior covers is to allow easy accessibility for the operation and maintenance of the machine. The operation panel can be adjusted vertically according to the operation conditions. The hydraulic and cooling systems are set separate from the machine to allow easy access. In addition, there is sufficient cooling flushing throughout the machine work area to prevent the collection of chips. PUMA VTS 1620 is capable of machining a wide range of workpieces in different sizes and performs excellent heavy machining with the new rigid ram-type design. Highly reliable PUMA VTS 1620 is designed to be an exceptional quality machine to provide customer with maximum productivity.